Now, many are wondering when they might see the next round of stimulus checks to hit their bank accounts. Some may have started getting them overnight, but there's still a lot of questions now surrounding the newest installment of relief. CBS 4's Eric Pointer joins us live now from the newsroom. Eric, good morning to you. How soon may people actually see some of this money?
So payments have already started going out to people with direct deposit information on file. So check your accounts because it may already be there. Paper checks are expected to be mailed out today, and people can start seeing those within the next few weeks. And as of right now, the current amount is $600. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell blocked an attempt to approve a House-passed bill to increase direct payments to $2,000. In a response to the bill being blocked, President Trump tweeted, "Unless Republicans have a death wish, and it is also the right thing to do, they must approve the $2,000 payments ASAP. $600 is not enough." He also wanted Section 230 gone, which gives legal liability protections for internet platforms. McConnell later introduced a bill that would do the things President Trump asked, including boosting the size of the checks to $2,000 from $600 and removing Section 230. And it would also create a commission to study election issues. McConnell has not yet committed to bringing that bill up for a vote, but President-elect Joe Biden outlined what he plans to request from Congress once he takes office, calling the just passed bill a down payment in addressing the pandemic. Now, Biden didn't provide a detailed plan, but says his plan will at least include things like more funding for testing and another round of stimulus checks. And you can track when you can get your payment on the IRS website. The payment tracking link is offline at the moment, but you can continue to check back for the latest from the IRS. Back to you.